Good day, everybody. Brian here. Uh, it looks like 14:56 Eastern Standard Time, and it's June 8th. I want to show you what's going on in the crypto market, what's the best to hold right now. Just want to show you everything's down. Yesterday it's up. It's so volatile. These are the top 14 coins, hourly moves, just everything moves together. Right now it's very negative. As part of my system, it's able to generate files that are coins that are quote unquote performing. So right now, let's take a look at what to hodl in the long run. And there's a couple of ways we can look at this. These are the coins, as I said, these are performing right now from different views, different stats. There's a couple of ways I look at stuff. Now, all of these are from Kraken, and I like that crypto exchange a lot. It's fairly safe compared to the other ones that I've commented about on my websites as before. So the first thing we can do is look at momentum. Which coins are performing the best? These are over the last few months. So if I do a sort of column J, I'm using Linux here, so LibreOffice. So you can see here what are the best coins to have. Right now you can see, based upon momentum, with the strongest momentum in this order, we have Monero, Chainlink, Bitcoin, Zcash, and Bitcoin Cash. So out of those, let's say top 5 to hodl. Now I just learned hodl, hold on for dear life. So let's take a look at those coins on our MotoWave here. So right now, let's see how Monero's doing. It's number 1. So you can see here, it's like everything's all really, so that's a weekly view, okay? So let's check out this. Everything goes up in big swings here, as you can tell here. February 22nd, all the way up here to April 21st. So that's a 2-month run. So you see here the price was about 148 all the way up to 280. Okay, so that's a pretty strong run. Right now in the most recent swing, we got May 13th here, 135. So it did move up quite a bit, over, I'd say around 50%. There at 206, it's correcting. I think of all the coins I've seen, you can see why to hodl is a really good coin. And there's a couple of reasons for it. Everyone talks about true hedging, which they'll talk about Bitcoin or Ethereum. Essentially, Monero is a private anonymous coin, and this is the last true hedge in the world of crypto, without a doubt. And the other private coin that's anonymous is Zcash. So that's a story right now for these coins in the crypto world, what to hodl. But this one will probably have an upswing again. I can verify that. As I said, let me show you, say on a, I don't know, 15-minute time frame here. So it's starting to potentially bottom out, and then it may have another upswing there. All right, let's look at the next coin. I haven't done a lot of this coin a lot, but it has been performing pretty good. Is Chainlink. The last, you can see here these big moves here from 746 all the way up to 881. That's a pretty good move in a flat market. Daily move here. Let's see how that's been comparing. Is that a daily view? Yeah, here, no, it's not updating. Okay. It's not able to get the data. Okay, let me go back to the hourly. Okay, if that goes. Alright, so you can see a nice upswing here at as I said, 680 all the way up to 830. So that's about a 30% return since here June 4th over the last few days. So that's been a nice upswing there. Now we're going to look at the big granddaddy of them all, Bitcoin here. On the daily, it's just come off this high here at 68,000 back in November in the glory days of Bitcoin. And it's been dropping all the way down since. I think a lot of this has to do, we always sitting here waiting for the bottom with the regulation globally and the negative news, this is just really killing off Bitcoin as a coin, or they're trying to in the performance, trying to keep people on the legacy financial systems for the banking and central banking, where they don't have this alternative. But I think over time, more and more vendors, merchants are accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment, as well as more institutional are getting into it. So the other coin to take a look at, the other anonymous coin here, is Zcash. This can perform pretty decently, but you can see here's been a solid decline and then a period of really just not doing too much, going sideways since here May 12th. Depending upon if you're an automated trader, you could build out strategies that would be really good at mean reversion. From what I'm seeing, it's just constant up and down. You could do really well in this space. You can see here these up and down swings in the mean reverting. This is a classic mean reverting, and you could do very well, especially if you're following Bitcoin or Ethereum as an example here. See if it loads up the hourly. Yeah, so you can see here, just this is what I'm always afraid of with Bitcoin. You see an upswing and then just solid decline again and again, and that's just since June 5th. Okay, so this is why I'm not trading, because of these massive downswings and the crazy volatility that come into play. Okay, let's take a look at one last coin here among the top 5. So we've got Bitcoin Cash. Fortunately, I don't think Ethereum's up there, but I'll take a look at it. Same idea as Bitcoin. Again, that's an hourly basis, the daily basis. Really not a good place to be, obviously, with the exception of maybe, from what I'm seeing, Monero, because that's number 1. Let's take a look here at Ethereum as well. Yeah, you can see it. It's done well. Big drop. Boom. They all moving in the same direction. Really tough space to be. Yeah, I think you'll get better performance in other areas in the financial world. Crypto, with the exception of Monero, and even with Monero, it's not that great as well. But it can trend up if you're watching it on a careful basis, because if you get this kind of run up, this kind of swing between February and April, you could have doubled your money and then just get out at this point, and then boom. But Monero is pretty well the only coin right now to watch. And that's it. Okay, we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Over and out.